I don't know how to start. I just, just 4 or 5 days back, I remember I got a message to attend this program, and I was thinking about what is that going to happen on Sunday. That was there in my mind always till I reach here. Then in the morning, the session which is handled by the professor, I forgot his name, what is it? Nasser, sir. Yeah. In fact, he started with asking us to move. We all had means a British model of education where we were sticking to some subjects from plus 2 degree, MA, and whatever the courses we have done. But this is a new trend, and this is of course helped us to understand what is the difference between British and American model of education and how we have to, means now we are teachers in fact, so we have to give a different ideas to our students. Even though we learned, understood, conceived the idea of education in a different way, now we have to execute it in different ways. So this kind of programs definitely will help us to move forward. In the sense, in that I should thank the CPA College for organizing this program and giving us an opportunity. For example, we are just we are not in fact directly part of this institution, but even then you have allowed us to come in and listen your program. So I thank CPA College, and in fact as I said, Professor has opened the new ideas to us. He was asking us to move beyond the curriculum, but of course we are all coming under a university where we have to follow university rules and regulations. But even then, over a period of time, in future when we acquire new roles like autonomous, or even after 10 or 15 years, like private universities also may come in. So we will get those opportunities to execute. So this is actually a beginning, and Professor has given us that lecture of how to move forward in the future. So I thank Professor and also other dignitaries who came here and spoke to us. In fact, each one of us means they have given us good ideas. Definitely we should execute this. And of course, since by seeing me, you may identify me as a foodie, so food was good. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you, Principal, for organizing this kind of wonderful program by collaborating with process without borders. So we were able to interact with a great professor like our assessor, and actually they displayed how a full professor should interact with the students. We learned a lot from you, sir, and even from Madam. By keeping all of us in a circle, I found that she was looking everybody. She was turning 360 to each one of us, so that eye contact, body language. Then sir also displayed that, like we have to make eye contact with everybody. That is the quality of a teacher. So I think we learned a lot from these great educators, and not only the content they displayed, even the media. Sir, I was talking to him because in my college we have 5 media programs, so I invited him to come there and interact with the students. We have nearly 600 students in the college learning the media in Majlis Arts and Science College Autonomous, and so it's a great occasion for all of us. I'm sure that this kind of collaborative development we have to do, so that there should not be any boundary of the countries or even the local collaboration also. Because through collaboration only now we can develop. That is we are in that idea. I am a follower of our great Hussain sir, Dr. Hussain sir. So immediately after his retirement, that chair only I occupied. So that is why we have the same passion, and thank you CPA College and Principal for inviting all of us. So we wish good luck to CPA College and the principal, and in the forthcoming NAC accreditation also, we pray Almighty to get a very good grade to the CPA College, and team CPA College. Great wishes. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, it's a privilege and an honor to be in Kerala. So thank you, Kerala, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to come across the land that's known as the paradise. Okay, but I come from paradise to the God's own country, so it's a privilege. When I came a bit late, but I got the insights from the questions that were being posed to the dear professor. I don't remember the name. I'm really sorry and I apologize. But at the same time, I feel ecstatic that this was the kind of conference, this is the kind of workshop that we need, and it's the need of the hour this time, because we are bound to such walls, such confinement, where we don't find the time for our upliftment. So when we are uplifted, we can uplift the students. So thank you all the team, Geneva, the professors, the facilitators and the mentors without borders. And thank you CPA College, especially the Sadruddin sir. I texted him, sir, can I join this? And he said, yeah, sure, you can join this. So I felt like I can explore as well as I can be the part of this. So after being the part of this, I felt very much honored, and I felt that a lot of insights I got from every professor, whether it was the professor related to the social media, whether it was the insights related to the curriculum. I am very new into teaching, not into academics, but into teaching I am very new, but I got a lot of insights. So thank you so much. First of all, thank you Kerala, and thank you Keralites. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm sure that everyone of you will be having your comments and feedbacks. I request ma'am, Ms. Harida from CPA College to give your comments.
Good evening to everyone, and this is a proud moment to be part of this FDP program. And when I heard of this program, I never believed that this much of effect or influence will be there, and I will get that much of inspiration, especially from the sir that was entirely for meditation, and that part was really inspiring, and I with my friends moved to another world, and that was especially needed, especially for this moment, because we are really frustrated. We lost even sleep yesterday night, but that kind of inspiration we got from that session, and each and every session was really informative, and you put forth a lot of information, and in every part of this FDP, and we as a teachers, as a member of teachers or teaching team, and we could analyze, and we could achieve a lot of things. And thank you so much. And you came here for us, and you became the most memorable. You made a lot of memories, and we will really keep in our entire life, and as an inspirational figures and as a motivational figures. Thank you so much. On behalf of CPA, I would like to express hearty thanks. At the same time, congratulations and best wishes for the life that forget. And thank you so much once again.
Good evening. Good evening. I think we are not in a mode of listening for a feedback speech. Okay. A day surrounded by professors, experts in different fields. This is what I felt, and full of knowledge, full of information, and full of sharing. This is only I have to say. I have to thank all the faculties and all the people. We just introduce ourselves, but we don't know even now each other. I think the college, CPA College people will make arrangements for us to know better each other. Thank you so much.
Good evening. First of all, I would like to thank CPA College and Global Education Without Borders for arranging this wonderful program. I'm traveling around 160 kilometers away from this Calicut to attend this program. And yesterday, after completing the election duty, I just reached home by night 8 o'clock from Calicut. Then today morning, early morning 5 o'clock, I have started again. So I don't know whether by hearing about the program just 1 week before, I have invited by the Ubaid sir from CPA College, and that moment itself I decided to attend the program. So before coming today morning, I don't know whether how it will be effective, but looking at the faculties, I was sure that it will be highly interesting and effective. And what I feel now is it was fantastic, and I enjoyed every session. And from starting from the morning session from Arif sir, and we had a new concept of liberal art education from student-centered education, and we already discussing about the curriculum-based and all kind of education because of this national education policy. So I would like to thank the whole team for arranging such a wonderful program and for having a wonderful hospitality by giving good food and snacks. Thank you very much. Thank you.
By looking at the water, you cannot cross the river. You have to take a dip. And I'm sure with this today's wonderful interaction with Educators Without Borders and rest of the faculty, I think we are on a much better note, and you all would be fully prepared to take on the NAC challenge now. Just 2 points I would like to share. At the outset, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Hussain sir and the team CPA for this opportunity. This is the time for collaboration and co-elevation. Any stage, at any level you can do that. But it's very important to come out, get out of our comfort zone and join hands with each other. Even our Prophet has mentioned, even if you have to go to China for learning, you have to go. And those days, China was not a reachable place. So that's what has been taught as far as the basic foundation for all of us. So it is learn, learn and learn. And this process will continue till the last breath. There is no retirement for learning. Okay. So all the very best, and I also take this opportunity to pray and wish all of the team of CPA for a wonderful NAC experience and come out with flying colors. Thank you, God bless, and may God be with you always and every time.
Thank you for CPA College and Dr. Hussain and all the team, the organizer, the registration outside, the moderators of the sessions. Thanks for you, all of you, for attending and taking your precious time, one full day to come to us. Actually, our main mission is to connect and to help others connect with each other. So the good thing about this kind of a training is not only just gaining some new knowledge or new experiences, but to know each other and to connect with each other. And I encourage you to create some sort of WhatsApp group or group on the internet to exchange ideas to build a new community who attended here to start. And we are looking forward that you will train others, you will disseminate knowledge for others, you will help others, so you will be the shining point in your own community. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So actually, I have to tell you a fact. The reason why we have become late is a simple problem. That is, your certificate has not been given the sign. So the signature is reaching very much. It has reached the highlight mode, and it will take 5 minutes more to reach here. That is why we are belating all these things. don't be hateful towards us. That is actually, we take pardon from all of you for this, because one of my friends said that after the election duty, he never go home or never take rest, directly he came to here. So all these are things we know. We are very youngster teachers, myself also. So we have to realize all these things, because I don't know what is a shortcoming. We have made all these things planned, but the certificates was brought from UAE, because we never look at it. But when it came, Nazar Harif sir said that there is no seed over that. So we asked in all the shops, because everything is closed. Today is Sunday. That was one problem. Then Mr. Abbas, he called to his hometown, and he entrusted everything his brother, and he made it, and he is running fast through this very, very troublesome road and just reaching here. Yeah.
When they go out, we just stop it. Let them
Yeah. That is good. That is good. Idea is coming all the time. If we have problem, idea